Like this, 8.5 total bill and I give 6 KD, so 2.5 my profit.
Because you know,
Madam, dress.
because you know she go naman, she go Filipino man. After tomorrow she go.
Okay, after 6.5 last I give you go Philippines 6.5 plus class. If you want 6.5,
1.5.
no profit. Take.
She go
Because after
Philippines.
telling 6.5 I give, and you go Philippines, so like I give us. You buy
Thank
for,
you.
You will buy for me, promise. You go any other shop now. See, 4 KD, barcode system computerized, one price only. Then you will happy to I will give. Promise. Trust me.
Okay, okay. You're a good seller. Good seller.
Wala.
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 Yeah, wala. Next time I come here.
Sasambullahi lazim.
Wallahi ladim.
You take belt, you go Philippines.
Yes, yes. Sige na daw, 1.5 daw. Mura lang daw.
Give me 1 KD, I give you change.
Tingin-tingin lang.
Anong 1.5?
Give me the 1 KD, I give you
Mura
change.
lang dito, kabayan.
Anong 1.5?
Ito, blouse na.
Ganda yung kil...
1.5 is mura lang. Oh, 2.5 daw. Oh my God. Tatlo kalahati daw is 2.5. Mura lang dito. 2 days.
Hindi, yan lahat.
2.5 is 1.5.
No.
Stay.
Okay, you go other shop.
Listen. I hear she give this one.
1.5.
Okay, tatlo kalahati.
Ano tatlo kalahati? Tatlo lang. 1.5.
Kalas. Sige na, tapos. Halika.
Bakit ganun? Iba kayang presyo?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Sana all.
Sana all. I hear Bogo had the one seller tell her one and a half. And you tell two.
Eh.
Binigay sa
Not the same.
te.
He's my boss is Kuwaiti. I am only working here.
Okay.
So why not 1.5? Why you say 1 KD is too much? Night time coming is too much. Gir.
Mino girgir.
Minagigir.
Boss is coming now. Why? See the
Kali hada bus quite hada intum bus kaman. Because you are the seller. Tala.